This is a how-to video for threading the Fischbein industrial sewing head. First, use the thread spool on the left of the sewing machine and feed through the eyelets on the thread stands. Come down and through the bracket above the thread tensioner, positions 3 and 4, around the top of the thread tensioner, avoiding the post, through the eyelet halfway down, and then through the thread pull-off, number 7. Finally, crank the needle forward and thread through the bottom thread tensioner, being careful to go through 8, around the bottom to 10, and then into the needle, position 11. Be careful not to hook it over the tab on the bottom needle thread tensioner. The looper is threaded through the thread stands, through the looper bracket above the tensioner, around the tensioner, again avoiding the stub, and down through the side of the sewing cover. When you get to the looper, it is critical to go through the eyelet and then through the top of the looper before going through the bottom. This video is demonstrating how to thread the looper and how to get it through the side cover. It's spring steel, so you should be able to hook one end in and then pull it through. It helps to have a sharp end on the thread. Ensure the machine is off before doing this. There are threading devices, as the technician is using here, available for purchase. They are a minimal cost and make the job significantly easier. Going through the hole in the top of the looper, drawing it down. Once it's through, it can be pulled down the looper and fed through the bottom hole. Detail shots of the threading and also of the looper. This is commonly threaded wrong. If you need to change the needle, you need to ensure it's right back in the needle chuck and the flat edge is to the needle bolt. Do not over tension the needle bolt, as the chuck being hardened will break. Test with a tag or a bag before using in production. This ensures the threading is properly completed, and there is a picture and part code for the needle threader. Thank you.